Hello friends, welcome to Bitword. In this video, we'll know about pressure gauges and their working principle and structures. You can see here so many types gauges are there. Now I will show you one by one. You can see here it's a small gauge back connector mounted, and its range of kg per centimeter square and psi also is there, and it's the oil gauges and using diaphragm. This is also normal gauge back connector mounted type. This is bottom connector mounted gauge. This also same. To make and here you can see two units are there, kg per centimeter and psi. This is also same, dial little small back connector mounted gauge. Now I will open one gauge. Now we are going to disassemble this gauge. Just anti-clockwise rotate the glass, it will be open, and then remove the needle by using this needle remover. I am using this tool. Okay, now it's removed, and unscrew these two screws. Now it's a dial also removed. You can see structure of gauges inside the structure of gauges. Now I will explain structure and their parts. Here you can see it's a connector for process mounting, and you can see here this is the seal to body, and this is the round C type burden tube. This is a C type burden tube, and this is adjustable link to the connector to the gear spring. And you can see here downside below the spring is the pinion gear, and here spring also mounted. It's the pointer placed pin here. You can see here, and it's the dial and also scale of the gauge. Here you can see the needle, and how its work we'll see. When pressure here apply to connector, and fluid here came to this C type burden tube, and this burden tube will expand like straight forward. You can see here, when pressure will apply to connector, this burden tube expand like this, and this pointer will move the left to right. You can see here, movement of the burden tube, and it will shows the range of pressure using this scale. You can call also this is dial of the gauge. This is the working function of pressure gauge, and so many are there, all of about same working. Why oil gauge is used? because where more vibrations and fluctuations will be there, that situation this type of gauge used in that place, diaphragm type, because it will control the vibration and fluctuations. And why diaphragm used? Diaphragm is the isolate from process fluid to pressure burden to, because for example you can see the molasses will be very density, high density, that uh, that causes burden to will hang due to use this diaphragm for like fluids. You can see here some ranges I written here. 1 kg centimeter square equal to 0.98 bar, and 1 kg centimeter square equal to 14.22 pound square inch, and 1 kg centimeter square equal to 98,066.5 pascals. It's the basic ranges. If 1 kg equal to, these are the ranges of commonly pressure gauges, and this all about pressure gauges, and we will see next video. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel.